In the gentle dance between nature and wellness, herbal salves emerge as timeless companions, offering a soothing embrace for various skin ailments and discomforts. As we delve into the art of salve making, we unlock the secrets of herbal alchemy, transforming plant allies into healing balms that become an essential part of our natural first aid kit. It's important to note that the information shared in this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. I recommend consulting with a qualified healthcare provider before trying anything new, understanding the essence of herbal salves. At the heart of herbal salves lies the marriage between herbs and carrier oils, creating a potent infusion that captures the healing properties of the botanical world. Salves, also known as ointments or balms, serve as topical applications, offering a protective layer while delivering the therapeutic benefits of herbs directly to the skin. Choosing the right ingredients. Herbs. Select herbs based on their healing properties. Calendula for skin regeneration, comfrey for wound healing, lavender for soothing, and chamomile for anti-inflammatory effects are popular choices. Carrier oils. Choose carrier oils like olive oil, coconut oil, or almond oil. These oils act as a base, extracting and carrying the medicinal compounds from herbs, creating herbal-infused oils. Double infusion method. Gently heat the chosen carrier oil and infuse it with dried or fresh herbs. Strain the oil after the infusion period to obtain a potent herbal oil. Solar infusion. Place herbs in a jar, cover with carrier oil, and let the mixture sit in sunlight for several weeks, allowing the sun's energy to extract herbal goodness. Beeswax, the solidifying agent. Adding beeswax. Once the herbal oil is ready, melt beeswax and add it to the oil. The ratio depends on the desired consistency, typically ranging from 1:4 to 1:8 beeswax to herbal oil. Testing consistency. To test the salve's consistency, place a spoonful in the refrigerator for a few minutes. Adjust the beeswax content accordingly. Optional enhancements. Essential oils. Enhance the salve's aroma and therapeutic properties by adding a few drops of essential oils. Lavender, tea tree, or eucalyptus are popular choices. Vitamin E oil. Add vitamin E oil for its antioxidant properties, contributing to the salve's shelf life and skin benefits. Common salve recipes. Calendula healing salve. Ingredients: calendula-infused oil, beeswax, lavender essential oil. Benefits: calendula promotes skin healing, making this salve ideal for minor cuts, scrapes, and dry skin. Comfrey and lavender joint balm. Ingredients: comfrey-infused oil, lavender-infused oil, beeswax, tea tree essential oil. Benefits: this balm soothes joint discomfort and inflammation, offering relief for sore muscles and minor joint pains. Application and storage. Applying the salve. Gently massage the salve into clean, dry skin, allowing the herbal goodness to be absorbed. Repeat as needed. Storage. Store salves in a cool, dark place to preserve their potency. Use clean, airtight containers to prevent contamination. Safety considerations. Patch testing. Before widespread use, perform a patch test to ensure there are no adverse reactions. Consultation. Consult with a healthcare professional, especially for individuals with allergies or sensitive skin. In the tapestry of herbal wellness, crafting salves becomes a ritual of connection with nature's healing bounty. From the initial selection of herbs to the final application, each step is an homage to the synergy between botanicals and our well-being.